Hi, good morning. Paul here. It is April 22nd, 2019, Monday morning. Let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Let's see here. Okay, looks like we've got a single family, one-story home. 1,000 square feet, 165. Huh. Nice little house. A little teeny thing with a carport, fenced yard, big TV. Interesting. So it could probably be a pretty good rental. For how much? 165. Okay. And beer built 1954. Wow. Okay. Well, that's right off the 15 north there. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Highest price for the day so far, $729.9. A nice curb appeal there. Nice and clean. Nice loft. Master suite. There's a pool right on the golf course. Pretty nice. Yep, looking good. $729, and it is 4,100 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, and a pool. No spa. Okay. Then yesterday we have this little condo, 1,128 square feet. Upstairs unit, fireplace. Pretty nice. Alondra. And it is. Wait a minute. Let's get back to this. Rainbow and Smoke Ranch. Okay. That's where the condo is. And that house we were just looking at on the golf course, I didn't even go into the area there. Rhodes Ranch. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, and this is all Sunday's stuff. 1.4 million. Nice. Oh man, that's not good. Should have gone the other direction. Looks like you hit a barrier when you walk through the front door. Oh well, not my house. Gray and white. Pretty modern. Pool, a little shot of the strip. That's nice. Yeah, quite nice. How much was it? Oh yeah, 1.4 million. 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, pool, spa, 4,500 square feet. And it is Anthem Country Club, okay? Then Saturday, we have this little 2-story condo, 876 square feet. Gated. Nice little rental unit. Decatur and Meadows. Okay. And then most expensive, 2.2 million. 2-story, 4,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, pool spa built in 14. Oh, contemporary. Okay. Alright, well, where are we here? Okay. Summerlin area. Alright, well, that's it for right now. For those, right now we have 355 under contract. Boy, that's low. Sold. As of the 22nd. 20th, we have lowest price $230 on plaid cactus. Okay, $230, huh? Not too bad. Shared driveway area. Actually, that's a pretty good deal for $230. Washington. There. Okay, and then La Fonda. These are the only two that have been reported for Friday sales. It's an interesting house. Okay, right over there. And then on Thursday, I think we already looked at this. Let's see again. I don't remember this. Oh, Hacienda whatever. Caliente. Hacienda and Spencer. In Paradise. 90,000, 994. Okay. And then you're on Thursday. $1.36 million. This is interesting. Older house. Sold though. Wonder if it's got some history in it. Built in 2004, 5,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 4-car garage, pool, spa. And it sold before it even hit the market. Southern Highlands. Okay, well, that is it for right now. Let's just plan on talking again tomorrow, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.